Goose liver, particularly in the form of foie gras, and duck egg yolks are both rich in preformed vitamin A, yet they represent two fundamentally different approaches to nutrition, lifestyle, and sustainability. Foie gras offers one of the most concentrated sources of retinol available in any food, making it potent but also potentially excessive. Duck egg yolks, in contrast, provide a more balanced, safer form of vitamin A intake that fits easily into a varied diet without raising concerns about toxicity or ethics. These two foods, though similar in nutrient category, differ profoundly in intensity, context, and practicality, foie gras being an infrequent delicacy best used with caution, and duck eggs a nourishing whole food suitable for regular consumption. Foie gras is an organ meat from geese that have been fattened, traditionally through force feeding, to produce an enlarged, fatty liver. As a result, it's not only rich in flavor and texture, but also incredibly dense in fat-soluble nutrients, especially vitamin A in its most active form, retinol. A small portion, just 100 grams, can provide upwards of 30,000 to 40,000 IU of vitamin A, well over the recommended daily intake and approaching, or even surpassing the upper tolerable limit. This makes foie gras a highly efficient way to rapidly replenish retinol stores, but also a risky one if consumed frequently. Chronic excess of preformed vitamin A can lead to toxicity symptoms including liver strain, bone demineralization, and neurological effects, especially if intake is not counterbalanced by other nutrients like vitamin D or K2. Despite its nutrient richness, foie gras is also high in saturated fats and cholesterol. While some of these fats are beneficial for hormone production and fat-soluble vitamin absorption, overconsumption, especially in the context of modern sedentary lifestyles, can increase cardiovascular risk. Furthermore, the method of production raises significant ethical questions, as force-feeding practices are banned in many countries. For those who are health-conscious and ethically inclined, foie gras may be considered more medicinal than dietary, a rare indulgence, or even a therapeutic tool in cases of severe vitamin A depletion, rather than a regular part of nutritional planning. Duck egg yolks, by contrast, offer a far more moderate and sustainable source of preformed vitamin A, with each yolk providing around 300 to 600 IU, depending on the bird's diet. This level is well within daily needs and can be safely incorporated into meals without concern for toxicity. More importantly, duck eggs provide a comprehensive nutrient package. They are rich in high-quality protein, choline, important for liver and brain function, vitamin D, selenium, and beneficial fats that support hormone synthesis and vitamin absorption. The yolks also contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which work in tandem with vitamin A to promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Compared to chicken eggs, duck eggs have a larger yolk-to-white ratio and a higher fat content, which enhances the bioavailability of vitamin A and other fat-soluble nutrients. Their flavor is richer and more buttery, making them an excellent ingredient in baked goods, omelets, and savory dishes where a nutrient-dense yolk is desired. They are especially useful for individuals seeking to support skin health, immune function, and reproductive vitality through natural whole foods. In terms of practicality and ethical considerations, duck eggs are a clear winner. They are accessible, versatile, and suitable for regular consumption. When sourced from pasture-raised or well-cared-for ducks, they also align better with sustainable and humane agricultural practices. Foie gras, by comparison, belongs in the category of rare or ceremonial foods, perhaps valuable in small amounts for restoring nutrient status, but not advisable for routine use. From a strategic health perspective, foie gras might be thought of as a nutrient-rich medicine, effective in small, measured doses, but inappropriate for frequent use due to its intensity, fat load, and ethical baggage. Duck eggs, meanwhile, are more like a long-term wellness ally, gentle, nourishing, and safe to use repeatedly as part of a broader dietary pattern that supports healthy retinol levels without imbalance. Ultimately, both foods contain valuable forms of vitamin A, but the key differences lie in dosage, delivery, and appropriateness. Foie gras is best treated with respect and used sparingly, if at all, for specific nutritional interventions. Duck egg yolks provide a steady, bioavailable, and holistic source of vitamin A that supports skin, eye, and immune health over the long term. For those seeking to nourish the body without excess or controversy, duck eggs offer a balanced, elegant solution.